What's happening, guys? Welcome to the Rebel Workshop. I'm back quickly with a wee quick project. So you probably recognise this. This is Lola from the Obi-Wan series. It does light up and things. But I'm going to do a quick wee repaint of this because it does look very plasticky. Someone's excited about the repaint. I just want to make it look a wee bit better than it does. And I'll be using all these paints. So let's do this. So I started off painting the bottom black and silver. It's got to be on the bottom so you won't really see it, but next I started masking things up, especially the lenses and the bottom. First coat of the dark green went down pretty well. A wee bit more masking and some masking fluid as well for a chipping effect for the next coat of a lighter green. That looks pretty good as well. After that I removed all the masking fluid, masked up for the red bit at the front and added in the kill stripes. They look pretty good. Just before I removed the masking tape from the lenses, I did give it a quick pass over with some black light spray just to give some colour variation. Then up next was using a silver Sharpie marker to add some silver chipping on the bottom. Again, it's not going to be seen that much, but I know it will be there. Then I added it to the top as well, and that looks pretty good if I have to say so myself. So that's most of it painted. It looks pretty good, I would say. Yeah. If you can't tell by now, it's definitely Boba Fett inspired. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. But time for a bit of weathering. Still a bit too clean looking. So I've got my usual black acrylic wash, just watered down acrylic paint. I'm going to start on the bottom, then do the top, and just go over it a couple of times. Now the black wash probably won't show up too much on the bottom because it is black, obviously. But I'm just doing a wee bit, because if I didn't do the bottom of it, I'd probably be annoyed at myself. That'll do. As I say, because it's black, you won't really see it very well, but it just gives a wee bit of colour variation. And besides, it's got to be on the stand most of the time, so you won't see the bottom of it. Now, time for the top. I'm going to try and leave a wee bit of a build up around the lenses, but I'll just give that wee extra worn, used look. I'm pretty happy with that. It's a good level of dirt. Put a couple of extra wee dabs here and there. There's one wee bit I still need to do, but that does require taking the flaps off. So I did repaint underneath the flaps. Just a simple dry brushing. Well, painted it black, then I did a simple dry brushing with some silver paint. But I just want to get in here and just do a wee bit of weathering in the recesses. To be honest, you won't actually see this too much, but I'll know. And again, same with inside the flaps. You're not going to see inside here, but just in case. I think that's like good to go. So there you go guys, it's turned out pretty well. For a simple little repaint and weathering project, it looks pretty good. As always guys, thank you for watching. I do have to apologise for the wind because it's very windy out here today. It is Scotland, what do you expect? At least the sun's out. As I said, thank you for watching guys, I always appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit that notification button, and I'll see you next time on the Rebel Workshop.